babia ke mini poten ya no e bi ene be ko ne we wonu chumo no ka fi onji community engagement o kwa shema na mi ma be na Sunday gba ko ni bi gba me na o ka fa me here mini ne oba ka omho diaries ni o ka oba na wonye ko me ya bi ene ni ji le ni dumo bi ni fe mo ni ya ne no no wa chi benkele o kana Sunday gba ko ni no ni poten ni wo ni we obi ene ni janye to imunye ni mi body manye
manage na bravo inche
fano owani
owani
be ko anu we obotega typical e mi denche enye wa bra mi fi o ni poten ni wo ni wo obi emene
yo be inya meke inche me ni nye ko wo ye adafine no mimba nye fe nye de manye ni mi henye de manye le ho afane acho mi manye buba ni mina yo no ko fi oni ya no ye akucho na mi akeshi wo ke won fe health screening won akeshi nyumo ne ni BP jinoni e ya no wo be wo ke health screening na ba bi ene ni wo ke ba wa akucho emi bi wo ke kwa me he amegboji ami ke boni amegboji ami yo ke ha wo find no jinoni yo no wo yo bi ene lebi ne
yo be ko kusko aton je to mone no oche o sembe no che wona wa denche o ka bia kashi ani ewutu ani game yo nya bi
yo ncho find no you adon game ye ni ye ogutu bi ene shi akeshi ni imba to ma ne fi ake game woyesumo waje watwi ya mi baba o ewo be ni imba to bi ene be nke fon ye na akeshi ganyofo mo bi e mawa ma ye ame hewaleke ni kasemo mi fi o
ke wo pe ni bi ami here ona akeshi on the flyer ni out there wo gan fe ma challenge abiasuma internet go to His Royal Majesty ke emanya chime ko me fe ni tehi moni ana nunu manya no kan chu ke me pi kwa check ba fa na me pi e flyer se no so ke ame fe amemba ni fe moni nji wo mini mi grandma fe yo ke ha mambiere
yo incho you are there ko tumo be ni ochon owie wo fe wo che ni di ya azuma nke inni neke no chumo na ya fon ehie ni eshinkon ekemi akeshi eba momi ojogba lelen stationaries keni bi ko meni wo ba ajawo ye bi ene fe je wo che ede ni e can support e can piano chumo na ke dia wie ye gam ye e can piano no chumo na ojogba eja akeshi cheni eye musunchon ni enu heke ha ebi dagbe egbele egbon ke ha ebi e woni ke fo ehe wo mi ni epia insertion kon ni chumo aya no
you work apart from health screening men na feel ne many poten e kon yo fi mo
yo bia mini ne ke health screening ne ya no ne ke okwa wo se wo ke blodo ke tea ke fruits eja ke shi lebi that is the breakfast ni wo ba take wo bia ni ya no be no jino ni yo ni jin manage for ne so far no wo keke wo ke no chumo fa e chana
nye o yi sa o to me musa on na o la ke shi be je ni akwe me pekeke she eklem ko baba ne e basmo na no ko ni eye dan kai she meaning wo oyo ke ha mambie cause of health screen ani meaning awareness can of ye
yo nche be before ni eneke nuchumo na e ba jenhie wo fe announcement fio ye mami agbene magin acheme ekol mele ho wona woka me na sanegba ya am a traditional council so yemi ne wol ekeje ngene fe ke ya ame ya mafi ngmane fen ke ya shi Thursday ke ya fen amafi mi di no ni woyo ni wo fon wie mo ke ha ame iwo de noji awareness ni wo fi ke ha
yo nye oyo juba ina le no kwakashi be mini game yo mamo ayo mo ko bi ene bra me fio echon man bi
yo inche bi ne obutuwe ina ile no kwakashi game hu ye bi ene ni wake obutu ke game fe gbeme kome jiwo eya keshi wawo na okanle na ayi kanle ye bi ene ameye akwele wagbajian ekome ye bi ene ewo ni mba na keshi o lajeku be mba inomi le wo mba jentwi mi akeshi sani mawani ma U33 jinonika ntwi no ni eya no ojuba
yo be onye ewe sa ni nke abotemi an wona le akeshi game ke obutu bi e fe kome to mi nchen ke nye ke ochemen yi pa ye ameko ke je obutu kagbe langba kagbe dan shura jomo fe abi okin han ke imagine fe because o fe ejigbe men kome shi oba mi ko no ba sane ye nye o finance ba me how many years as this? Tell us a little bit about your organization Morash, right?
Yes.
Well, come on, a little bit about it.
Okay. You find Morash Jin Mokoni eye musunchon. Ojogba ke ha beke bi. Titro no ne pote woni nko ne kenu chimo ne ke fon ntwi no. Ifa gbe fio ni ikase ni fio nchoni bi ami fio kenkwe boni wo oblaye ke oblahi ni bi ni amenchomomi ke ha inamusun chone nke wo isole momi ake Yehowa awonde fio je fio kwa ke jegbe na wonde san koni makwe mawa oblaye ke oblahi ke gbeke bi ni mba kenkai be ko ni ehwe about ke in training na fio to 15-17 years ago iye latadi okoshi ni nani gbeke manke gbeke baby efo manke wo fe wole akekeji mokonfu onu ehi woni njepo mi segbeye no woni nchame ni yo shiami na ya kwa baby ahale mama ni akeleba ngme nchoko majame shishi eke ni hana wole nklete community health ko ni yo jene ni di manke mi no ewo amehani manke mi no ho be na me nkwele wa fe police report ni nkelete no mie NGO ko ye dan some last top nkelete jeme ewo jeme no mie ma me dok no ho po ye no nkayo ntin report le ho ke hale no e choja me since then nke he ba wo ne ke NGOs ni chumo na me as a personal ni na fio ni nke wa me mba chu ne ke ni na san ke sheyeku ni mbangmehi ni ke 2021 ni samba ko mba start ke je papasi number 1 ni akokla foi ke awusan ye jeme ni ajajai ni bi ye jeme san asatina wo hien gbeke bi ye jeme ni mi kwa ame school ya ni men ko me gbe JSS na me kwa gbo ni ba acho na me ba bote senior high ni agbene men ko mele hu ba gbele salon that is Morash Unisex salon nchon gbeke bi ani ame twa fe mo ke ni bi le hu free imba graduate men san ne with this program na epodenche men ko meni ame wamie niji imbi ni nchose ame na ame ho ame ye ame nuchumo fio agbene then na mi no imba face surgery ke ha men ko me ye Kolebu Teaching Hospital yeah beke ko ke picture wa kan no kenye ko e bi ene ne ke e gba ni no mi ile money ke na mahale It's in Tejame. Na kan time member pay almost 15,000 cedis for the surgery. Name. Akebro for men come be ba channel. Ya ina moko. She draw mo na ngmene gbeke e da na mami kele ewu mi. As a morash. Yeah, ameye usu. Yes. Imba chuni bi nhemi ni ihio ya akeshi insolemo akeshi mana support. Koni wanya woke gbelele ojogba eja akeshi ihie mo nne ye ihie mo nine kan here ni. It has been my prayers akeshi nyumo agbelegbe koni me abamomi koni nuchumo ne anyani ayahin san je ye bi ene pe bet wa klowaji fin titru ni diga aklowa yeah
wonye ke e binyumo ne haleshika wo atanya ni molenche haleshuka ni miwa omoko ko le hu morashe egbele gbe ha koni kebon oye no close mo kewa eni fe mo ne koni okewa because baby ake jomo ye amomi himo wo fa mo ko wo ye ko e no ko gbanyo kewa enu tumo na etu ne bomoden ko ni o wa na kan ko ni bia no enye ba o sane gba no no na no wi o cho aklo ko mani ote ke ko mani ofe ani your offices allo your office particularly ni eye ko me allo ye ni ka ata oboye e ba so no
ofa no wi ado be inu tumo e ko me Niji Morash Unisex Boutique. A Tuba runabout. Morash Unisex Boutique, a Tuba runabout. And I have Morash Unisex Salon. Ye Owutu Breku ne Agbene. I print or Mama Jinke t-shirts ke nibi lehun. Agbene Ingbele Morash Royal ne ni iho Mama Obawa Brotreke wo lumoye ne aheni bi ye obutu ne no
be ene me fe dini bi ni oke ofio no ke pia nchumo no ochuo ne lele sake moni ko chwa kwa le sachi o on bi wo cheme ni o general bo tue ke amenu ko fi mo ke wonye wa mo mbo moden chi lele echunchu akpa enye no nchumo general yo ne fe ani obi e ko me chuo ni ye mi
ofane inu chumo ne ni inchuo I'm a single mother with 3 kids. Imbi inchon ame ni ke balake shi hotel wedding cake. E balake shi hotel ni aso he as a for wedding any events. Inchon imbi for makeup parties ke le keni bi ne fe inchon ame ni wo fio ame chuo ke bia ne imbi yo ko me kra ni a manager for the Unisex Salon and a trainer me for free. Yeah, Jenny.
Must market a minute. I'm a bonjamba. Bonnie, yes, I saw in China, Africa, Basani, if you find. Sure. Many now you can me family call money at evening. Because no one which one a gentleman with danger. Meaning now you can you 10 years.
Fine, you are doing cool. Nga wo ni yo fio ke ha titiro oti kan ke titiro fia kan wetwi oti ojogba denche ina akeshi wogame wo hia wa na denche ni ji wogame ke bale ye nutumo mi makpa fa ya akeshi inyeme ni atoabe ni ji wo manyeme ni ato wada agbe na jio agbe ko na jio makpa fa ni wo fe wo fi wo hemi haw ni wo ka wa wo bi ni yo gamanti ami wo kra wo na wiemo ke chosemu amenu chumoi ke mo be nu chumo podenche I mean the little that you have bomo deni okepianle bona fe ni ameji amehi ye hi ke ni bi subanji ko mami e ja ka shi ni in divorce ke imale ni in marriage it's almost 18 years and still I'm a single I don't depend on any man. And I don't care about anybody, whatever you have or something. No. But I need to focus. Ewa makpa wo manyama afai ke wo chema afai koni wo wo biye ko blahia bi bona fe na megia me he ye wo be na ke ne ke wo be ne oba na ke me ne efo ekome oba na moko ebi ete de he ke hiete eka bale na kan wo chose wo chon ame moni ba ha egbe kawie mo ahale ni fio no yo ni oke wale ni nunku tafrache aka fele ni loko aka bule bulu
wonye ena wole agashi oblai ya bi ka etwi no wo mo amechosi ame esmo ake amato late ke gamo ke yotu late onu shishi ake late na jete oke boyo ni oto late pe ncho akeshi okemene efe nne antofio wonye menye lehun ekomelehu yejeme meaning ngawo ojo because na ke wonye meye country no wa but be perfect na ke ye Bible and Japan like she they are weak. No, yes, they are weaker vessels. Yes. Bible and they are weaker vessels. She be pila hue kai yo beno komi ehin. No, mo yam. No meaning ngawo lo yo ke ha ehin le ho.
Yo, hane ngawo fio ni yo ke ha ehin eji akeshi. Hiye le ho be pie inhia ni yo bia ne. Iye oblahi ye jame nije mi denchen bi jiam. Iye oblanu kwa chole Latif. Ke wo kwene ke gbe me enyo ni dumoje me. Ibi jiam ye inle he na meje inle amenye me ka meche me shin ameba. Na amenye tuma wabu ye shin aninke ba mo amemi. Ke ba mo amemi Latif ne ke 2 years. Ni mo Latif ni kena kan time enya na le mobo she bi ane dromo na Latif efe mokoni bi ane ledenche eshi etichi. Even this program, all the chairs that you are using there from the packet of Latif the money e pay one of legit money e pay neba hela mi kani bimbi yo second born legit money ibakwela obata China no chimoke bahale meke bahie mi fiu eyeyu involenga ke obenu chumo obeheni owo mini jino no to awe ko ye no chumo oda but obenu chumo ka agba ko bi yo na nkele wi ahu etomi wa denche tane bachi ehi keje yuwe lele ngmana na efe na kan e ka bana shipom ni le denche kotoku mishkani echuni ne kemma ni ji Latif ni god machine ona ewo oblahi akeshi ya ne keji obeno no jio ni obe nokoe ni pabo fai chio he keje jolly hi no hano hi akwe onuchimono bona fe koni bohue ke awie nujibu keke onye owie eku ewo nga wo fio ni kwa hale na kai no mi nchonle locks fe mo ni bia ne kenya basalo ne e wash o ma itwe ni isene mo ko ba fe relocking nke Latif betinye ke o de mami ye ma na che na ka becho bi ene manye na che dromo na Latif ba fe relocking na efe ni ba hishka ke won kotoku e ewo nga wo fio ni kwa ha ba ke shika di obe no yomi papa oblahi achi ko ni wo fe wo dwemaya wo nuchumo no ni bon ka di awie nu di bobe keke onye ni owie eto twa ne manye papa abla wo fe
Onye etwashi ne etwashi pe be sane bi mo ko bedon e akesukwan ye kon kon mabilesh ne etwashi pe ne etwashi pe be ogbena ejeme je to mo nakani oh je no ko chon bo shi nton ba ke mini nagbo yo mo na be sure yo ke ha me ke ha bo program e
yo what program e je akeshi ke yo ho wa ya agbele wo ye meni ame kame he e fonction aka me ba fe buffet ni wo ba ye ni scroty agbene me ni drinks le hu ye bi ene no agbene le hu wo che le hu ni ji gamanche ni ji abiazuma e ha wo stationaries ni kekibo gari le hu ye bi ene ni no fe no ba ya no pepepe ewo no ji she wie mo ni ke ha wo ko ni no fe no ni anye ni aya no pepepe
nye ora don
ni so le mo le hu wa denche agbene wo papa ni ji ni gonti my one and only sweetheart mi dale shi le hu wa denche in fact ehe mishko me aka ebi ni ehani ina ehemi she baba o ni kaji inkwe e vision ke no ni mi hie ke woche neji abiazuma fe ye ekome ewo mi daleshi akeshi boni eshin kon ninu chumo aya no ewi adon wa denche ke ifata lo ke ho ke bi fe
nye bo ora don shibani ke o abo yemo ni wonya yuet ye kenya ke shikeje obutu kagbe adan shura o fe ekome jiwo an ke cheme ye paye amekana ka solemo ba ko obotemi e mo pi jino ni ewe ewo oblaye anga oblaye kan ka to la tete oblaye wa ka nye be ekwe ne ka agbanye hina ni nye panye ni mkeshe ni she yake na agbaji ni ikeba nke ngamo ne eko ha is Royal Majesty King Takita Kochu abiasuma kan fenche ke han chumo akpa na chumo ake eko efon na kashi girl child education ne alo girl child kan chu no ke ofino koni concerning gbekbi pe itajuye this markewa onda o church ake pianse ni eko ya woche ni gonti ajo ke ha ne ke shimo ne ke shi wo ke ani bi ne fe ne ba no ke ma chen ko me fe fitai ai ma chen fe ni yo ko na no fe won bi amedo manje ni ha me manje jomo ajo ame ma chi benke woni mi yo ko mi ni fitai ni afio head screen ne me na fe ni e tawo tu ngbe ne poten ni afio head screen ne me o bake. Welcome.
Thank you.
So when I say Obake,
thank you.
Okay. What's your name?
Diana.
So tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm Diana Asamoah. I'm a health worker. I've been working for almost 10 years, more than 10 years here. I've been in Breku for a while. So.
Are you an indigenous of Breku?
No. I'm from the eastern region. I'm an Okom to be precise. Yeah. So, but I've been here for a while. I've been working here for a while. So
how is the place like?
The place is okay. It's cool. Because since I'm here for a while, that means I'm okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, I'm okay.
Nothing bad about it.
Oh, everywhere there are ups and downs, but it's okay. We're managing. Yes.
Okay. So today we are here because of Morash.
Yes.
Morash King's Empowerment. What can you tell us about it?
It's a foundation Mama has organized to help with the girl child education or children education. So basically he has been doing it yearly. So this time around we are doing it here in Ewutu Breku. Yes, so this is the first time that she's organizing this at Ewutu Breku. Yes. Yeah.
So how is it like here? Organize such a thing. How is it like here? Is it difficult? Was it easy?
It's a bit difficult. Yes, getting access to certain things is a bit difficult, and being a first time of organizing such program, it's a bit challenging. But as time goes on, I think everything will be smooth for us. Yes.
So since you are here, what are some of the challenges people do have health-wise?
Health-wise, most this place has a health center which functions very well, but the problem is the referral points. Unless Winneba or Swedru, yes. So in case of emergency, we have to refer the person to Winneba or Swedru. So this place is also a busy place. It's on a main road from Cape Coast to Accra, so we need a bigger hospital to help us. So and as you can see, this place is very busy. Kaswa is closer, everywhere is closer, but the health center, we need a bigger hospital. That's what I can say. We need a bigger hospital to help us. Yes.
So this one goes to you, Mr. MC or Madam MC, to tell our head minister, to tell our president that people of Ewutu Brekum needs a bigger health center. Now let's hospital rather, right? Not that.
We have a health center. We need a hospital. Yes.
So you heard it from the hospital map. You need a hospital. Yeah. All right. So what exactly are you doing when it comes to the health screening today? What are the things that you are testing people on?
Okay. Today we are focusing on malaria tests. We are doing visual acuity eye screening. Yes. Then we are doing ENT, ear, nose and throat screening for that one too. Then we have the free health insurance for everybody. Yes. So everything we are doing here is free. Free malaria test, free eye screening, free ENT check. Then we have the BP, the blood pressure and the weights to attend. Then we have consulting nurse who will help with if anything, then we'll give free consulting. So if the findings needs attention, they refer to the health center for further investigations.
Talking about the eye and the ears and stuff, when you tell the people, do you give them medication?
For today, we don't give free medication, but we refer them to the health center for further assessments. Since this is a first screen, so we refer them to do further assessments. Then they know the medication they have to be given to them.
But I can see some paracetamols and some vitamin C and stuff over here.
Yes.
So in case you test me right now and I have malaria, do I get anti-malaria drug?
Oh, for now we don't have anti-malaria drug. We were hoping to get some, but since we are dealing with people and children, anything can happen. A child might have headache right now, anything can happen. So we have to get a first aid for any emergency. Then we refer to the health center. So it's like a precaution aside.
Okay.
Yes.
So would you have bring in the anti-malaria drugs and stuff if you had a sponsor?
Yes.
So I wanted to tell all the pharmaceutical companies out there, yes, those on this land, those pharmacies here, I wanted to tell them, look straight to the camera and tell them what you need from them, because they are all part of the people.
Yes.
The centers that they have, the pharmacies that they have, is the people that goes in there to buy, right? So tell them something. It's time to give back sometimes. So tell them.
What I can say is this program is a nice program. It's a good effort that our mother is putting in to help our children. So it will be good and it will be nice if most of us come together to help with this program. If like today we could have gotten free medication, like it would have gone a long way to help most of the people. Yes. So we are hoping we will organize some again, then we get more people to help us with the program. Thank you.
Okay. So you heard, my dear nurse, they need more people to support the program to make it better next time. Any message before you leave? Any advice or any other thing before you leave?
All I can say is that we are hoping and we pray that God will give us more strength. So subsequent years, it will be bigger and better than this year. And if anybody wishes to help, we are still doing that. Tomorrow will be the Grand Derby. So we are inviting all of them to attend tomorrow's program that will do the donation for the children. So we still need sponsorship. So if anybody is willing to do, we are still ready to accept it. Thank you.
Somebody might ask, why don't you sponsor? Why do you need me to sponsor? What do I get out of it?
First of all, I can say you get God's blessing. Givers never lack. So it's not, sometimes giving something helps you to also gain something. And helping somebody in need or makes you feel, I even feel good when I help somebody. It's okay, it makes you feel, and you get blessing from God too.
So the divine blessing is the most important.
Yes, the most important thing that you get. And you might not know when you also need help from somewhere. Exactly. So it opens door opportunity for other helps. Maybe in future you might need some help from somewhere, and this one will give you a good opportunity to get help from anywhere.
All right, so since we've been here for 10 years, your final message for the chiefs and the queens and everybody over here concerning this particular program and then how you want it to happen the next time. So I want you to use the local dialect this time around.
I can't speak the local dialect.
So do something in the local dialect. Your local dialect.
My local, Mikachi, Michina Meka. And I make an essay, Yenanum, Yejanum, Yedamasi. In fact, me ba krom hachi me hu na ekoso fontu kaka ekoso okronim yes and say program we ya sha ase no omo be so yum omo de omo pai bo ne omo ho de e beta echi na chese program no akoso afeni afi biara ye expect say next year no e be ye fe na be ye decoration afi we enti yes ramo ye ba nemu bioma se na mode fewji ye so afi ye nim se samba mbesa agi ye so sa ya me so onhira mo bebre wona maya man na meka
Yamishra also. How I wish I can speak the truth the way you are speaking it. Right? You're ranting about it. So before I leave, I think you have to teach me one or two.
Yeah, I'll teach you.
All right. Thank you very much. Nice having you.
Thank you.
All right. So you heard the nurse in charge of this program, and then she has given us a rundown about what is happening. Let me switch back to my local dialect. Yes. Okay. When you mean you are a Basandani, I can one and BP. Ni na bafi ake akwa imbe akwa tuwe akwa gugon na akwa sen baby e onye shinekeli bi ni ofon of check komedi imbe ake no jini gba wona shini bi akumani hu eyan wa de nche ne sake da be ke bi ona waya ni wani that tefo e ko wo duba cause fair fita ogumoto e no hani waya wo hie cause ke ekumi pe chipe be ekume hu banye ya wo nya no wo boa we wo tuwe inche beke inye kume nke bana sanegba le hu ye biene no onyo ka onya ayo a nye otu body manye
kumanya brab
nakai fa ta cho boten
ajo Mrs. Mabel
bene ngo wa ai
nakai
fa ne ani ojemane mi
ofa ne da be shinje de mane mi je budumbram demenyo kay fatalo
so mene inakashi ba fata wo ye biene mabia ke mini potin hani chi obenka biene
oni hani chi benka bi chi mba wa yuwe iji manye ichami akemene amenang peye na fi streaming kenibi ni tue kenibi ne tombo no che e wombo modi nkai la sa mi grani ichami oni saa kenkebula hale kebule hale nimba
and you know about a test book eko
akwaku
she be about test plan over here
na
no many oyo ke moye nchu mo ne ke fashion ke fashion ke evie
no ni yo ke moji mi danyo moshi mi hanu chumo ne ni ibano ejake ken wie no kwekeje beni nkele shinamo so many years ne e wala shini beke bia no chumo ke ne ken chumo ne dino ni echu ewo mi po encourage le ake eya no ni chu agbene luku ni na yehi mi wu usolo ake pami epa manyeli 10 years na ni na ake manyeli yehi na nukwale kenkele ehewu kenkele ywenke o sen yo shia o ba yes iwo ya shia kuni una nakahide kenke nekete yes ne fe susumo que dio mon paco si je comento niño monio ne ba we nya e ke gbele na kan gbe wo no fi ano ni wo yo fi mo ke chenchu ram na e fe ju no ni nyo mo yo ye e ba mi je mi pen na kan manye yelie min ken sister lewo baba nkele midani ko kawona le no manye wo bolle manye chemo de mene wala jawo chole manye wo kan mene ne ba cho manye edimi she ni kenyamo ni lo nwe noni eba efio ne de mo fiamo na na kan susu efio wo kan mene ne eba ni ke e project ni ke NGO ne ni ekwagbe ke biye eji mi she kenyamo ni nesumo gbe ke bi hu esumo gbe ke bi wo nesumo gbe ke bi enya gbe ke bi alutu mi bi nu ojo mo ni hale ye hemi ete ke no ni mi ni ekeye eyawo e mo denche ni le ke susumo papa le yo e hale e hale gbele koni demfe anande le manye yele akefale denche dani ibaye manye wele nakanye kemo ye akefale denche ewe mo ke no fiano na keshi ile nakanye eshiba bi wo kai manye enu ake jemwe ake halake bachuneke oju wo ke ko beke bi ake ju beke bi ayi ni ndanyi boshi ye ni eya no ifia na show e wala chire mi numo awenu ni shejeme ni deni e fighting hale e shia she fighting hamamu fe enu ba mi ene fio keke yo mai nyaho sis mabel ben on na chon onya mabel
Mabel, yes, very on that job. Mabel. When I go now, check it in your mom. Naka. Then Mashiboy. Many women or you can man be a fan. Obliging could die abi.
Ni no na wo ni yo ke ha meji ke wiemo ni yo ji amefe amenyeni ame projects amekele adomoshi na tunutumo kemi no be mi wo koyin edo loju ni ono baba mi ba kono shiko oke oba ayaye fe woko ba yilo oya unang no ni jipo no to mo bonile emetri nshini nyungo dromo na ewule manye maka no mimbi ke ha plano ko obra ye ke bi ake amenwa metri nshi ke school na me ba ya me ya school ni education abagama eja ke wo pese njega nke ifatolo gawoje ona ekwe yeka wo babi shipo omoje life shin akedi oba tuni oba wo ba ya school ni wo yin akashi ni wo kwebo ni wo ba kra wo ma ejika ma lo ehia yenyumoba ganyojimi wa ganyojimi no misumo ni gamo akwa mama papa ni
enye temashipwe nsene nan yakashi bemini ga fen yi omowo nakano mekmu yi omowo e bi ene mi no yo kamo ya no he omowo yele afin ni gamani ni ake won wa omoyi ewo ni eni de nyage moni ni eni ni apo ni eni ni ewa minche ke nyamu eyemi because noko ni afiafi ni me agada na yo mo fia mo ke ishena kan ke hiwale wo isake wo na new sorry bonu wo banye ni wo kra na mo wo ni mu eba fikra be hwe ni akaka ke o gamele ameni ni je ni she ezani gamemu amesu amekusu ni ame je amekusu we kemishe ni jomo ni di jomo eba kura me e wono ni fe ni yomo wo mi bi ehun na she na nyu bo kai na nyu bo my people God should add it to them. We are praying for God's wisdom and knowledge, and the more we eat, I believe it is the youth that will have knowledge about what is happening in the festival. And can you say ni amenana kan knowledge ake amari reform is anyone reform no wo feel is anyone reform e ka say one way na kan so she change me change e ba mi ye a special way me by enlighten Obrayin ko blaye yo no ni yo kemo me ni hu ni ye biye amena na kan ni le ye ta jona te o mo wo ye ni mimbi jomo mi ha
omo yeli na ba ye bi ene e hu agba no mo wo yeli un ke ku me fe mu aba ke ku me leading for festival e wo be me wo yo festival e ku me fe mu ke no ya aba mi ha wo no ba ene pe yo ke
ora don ko te ba job yo onye wane ani wale akashi ekwetu mo mi wale yo ni ke ajo manya ile alo macha ile ejo nwe ni ba ka be she ni ajo bo e ka be yo wale cheke ni fono e job onjo o manya ni kuma ya fe ni ngwa ni ne keni fi mo ni aya no e ja ke e kan she akọ ke oye sumo ke han be ke bi pe ena gboro jomoko ale gboro gbeko han abo na na kan jomo wo ejimi she ni fi mo mene afi head screening bo is a grand deba ni an wona wole akashi woche king takita kochu abiasuma Sir Majesty kentara je fi amemba eke atofoche ke atofonye na o kancho di fort ke ni gonti ajo nja atuba fe manche ke ekumen nifta ni odawu me ken manche ni manche fe because many your na ba pian ke ntumo say ame father nche ni chake began imba obutu ne yake kaji aka madan aswe dan shi pe na ye npa ye aka kaji obutu agbelangba lamba ka gbe dan sura ncho aka wo fe ojigbe mekombe ni watu ne ken ntumo ne woche yesumo ke ha bekebi titili je ni wa me amni fe mo yo more that we say no me wanye ni wachi benke wanye ko make ya sanegba no concerning head screening ne oh nyanwa ya okwa ni ba no inye me body manye.
Oh please, I can't speak Ga.
Obake.
I can't speak Ga.
But you should know Obake because Obake is nationwide right now.
Obake mean what? Aquabara.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
So you did. So now you understand, Ga? Yeah. All right. So, can you please tell a little bit about yourself?
Can I?
A little bit about yourself.
I'm Mrs. Janet Obogi from National Health Insurance.
So, today happens to be health screening. Somebody would like to ask, what does health screening got to do with national health?
Come again.
We're having a health screening today, right? Somebody might ask, what does a health screening got to do with national health?
All right. Thank you very much for the question. Our work is basically in line with the Ministry of Health. So once health screening is going on, obviously health insurance also has to come in mind. Why am I saying that? Because when the person, let's say after the screening, when the person needs a further treatment, he has to go to facility, and therefore the person needs health insurance to go to the hospital. That is why we are here.
So what do you have to say to the organizers of this particular program?
Oh, I must say it's a very good initiative, and it's very good. It's very good because most of the times our busy schedules and then the area where we find ourselves, people find it so obvious to go to hospital for checkups. So when we bring it to their area, to their doorstep like this, we think it is good. It is good for them to, they think it is convenient for them because they cannot go to the hospital to go and join queue or go to any health facility to join queue to do it. And therefore they will bypass any pharmacy shop to buy drugs for themselves or prescribe drugs for themselves. But since we are here, they think it is appropriate, or we think it's appropriate that if it is closer to you, you will come. Definitely you have to come. You understand? It's very good. It's very good. Of late we stress ourselves too much. So when you find opportunity like this, you just chip in. As you can see, I've gone in for my sugar, and I don't even remember the last time I checked mine. So it's because I'm here. You see, this is the convenient way I am talking about. So I believe it's a very nice initiative, and it's a very good proposal. Let me say it that way.
So, how difficult was it? How difficult was it getting this place set up and preparing for this particular program?
Actually, with the help of the MP, by the time we got here, the place was set. The place was set. So we didn't find any difficulties coming here.
So I realized you said you've gone for your sugar test.
Yes.
Is there any other test you went for?
Oh yes, I've checked my eye, I've checked my BP.
Free of charge?
Yes, free. I didn't pay anything.
But you have health insurance. Why did you go to hospital to do that?
As I said earlier on, our busy schedules, you know, it's something we have to do, but timing. So as I came and then they are here, I find it so convenient to do it. I get to my point. If not here, maybe I would have been somewhere else working without the nurses and the doctors here.
Okay, so you working with National Health Insurance, NHI, right? I think a part of the healthcare facility, or let me say when it comes to healthcare, you're part of it. So you should know best that your health is more important, right, than any other thing. So what advice do you have to people over there who are not finding difficult to go to the hospitals, to go to the health centers to check all these things?
Well, I would say that let's put everything aside. Upon all our busy schedule, we should find time and go to hospital to check for our own health, our own benefits. Because sometimes we give a funny excuses that, oh, I'm busy. This is what is killing us. And the mother of the constituency is also have the people in heart to the extent that day in and day out, you want the let's say the people or the facility, the health facility, to go closer to the people, the native themselves, so that they will find the needful to do it. So I believe and the results I got from my sugar, I believe after here I wouldn't sit at the office day in and day out. I'll go to the facility and go and check it, because I could see there's a problem somewhere.
Okay, so that's it. There's a problem somewhere. So you wouldn't have known if you have checked it today, right?
Yes, obvious, yes.
Good one. So what else do you got to say to the general public?
The general public.
Especially the people of Breku.
Let me say it in Twi for them to...
Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay. What I will say is this. Your sisters are omo Breku. Embrace the say say share apomudi. Embrace the say you can say the apomudi. You can say the agokra. Entino abrini na yanko hospital na yanko ye check up na so na meji di say emfa so beba yourself ma emfa ejima nye excuse say every day be I busy. Let's go closer to them and then have our body checked, and I think the results is going to help all of us. Once again, we thank our honorable for giving these special initiatives. Honestly, it's worth it. It's worth it.
Thank you very much for spending some time with us and explaining to us what you've experienced here today. And I hope people out there will also love to do the same thing. And
So am I going to talk about IS too?
do you want to talk about yours?
No, I don't know. I'm asking if I'm going to talk about.
No, if you want to talk
Are
about
you going to talk about health insurance too?
yes, if you want to talk about insurance, let the people know.
Oh, all right. We are also here registering for free. We are doing fresh registration. We are doing renewal. We are doing linking. We are doing OTAC. We are doing everything concerning health insurance. And now health insurance, our main priority is that going viral. We want people to see that we exist. We want the community to know that we are here for them. We are working for them. Now, we take opportunities like this festival and derbys so that we can also come out with what health insurance, the benefit when you get closer to health insurance you get. Especially sometimes we hear people saying that health insurance is not working. It is not working. It is not working.
I was about to ask that.
Really?
Yes.
Unless if you don't have it, you wouldn't taste it, or you wouldn't feel like, oh, indeed it is working. I am urging the public that they should visit our hospital, they should patronize us, they should participate in whatever we do, and they will see the great benefit health insurance has for the country.
Okay. So some people do say when they go to the hospital with their health insurance, the only medication they get out of it is paracetamol and anti-malaria drugs. How true is that?
I believe that in health insurance policies with the health facilities, we have grading system. We have, let's say, you can't go to Breku Health Center and then expect the same medicine that will be given to somebody at Choma. You understand? Because we have category A, category B, category C. So, and here you can go here and see a surgeon's doctor here, right? But so a case that or a prescribe that this the facility can give us, a Breku facility can give us. When you go to Trauma, they will give it to you. So if it is beyond them, they need to transfer you to a place where it can cover. Are you getting my point? And I will say it is not true that when you go to hospital they give you paracetamol. No. It is never true. And I will urge the public that when you go to a facility where they want to extort money from you, keep your calm, pay, but demand for receipts. Whatever payment you do, demand for receipt. If you are
just open air, forever free.
Be tomning man kenye woye beku wuti beku ni Omash TV ko wajo to make me sheda mother is no me wanye me wa gbe mi ye health screening ke chon mo mi no wache bank wanye me yu ko be nle hu eba kwemo kenke ba kwemo ntwa ke ba test ni bi ni kwa ke e ojami yo jugban lo PPS aka wo ko da na no wa ya oba onye wo sumo hie je anyway wale chon e shimu no ko bio ni nyewo sagda na wo kwa kana kan ni bi ni nyewo amantunu do gbalo nyeyo imbody manye
Amane Bravo.
manya bravo na
Amanya Bravo.
nakan ko wi kan kan nje fa ba chon mi ogbe ke eno je fi o
Ma na chọ mi Georgina Akwa.
Regina
Akwa.
okay
Iye break na no ni ho kotoka e bi enani. Le bi na nye mi twa mi aka sha fe health screening ko ye bi e wo mba ni. Mba check no ni nke ba.
no so far no ba te una desh kamoten
Oh, yeah, fine. Ya ke mi nka be ni mi den che point hospital aka ya check ke je be ni inform bi first ke second be ya ko hospital poda. We ngo na ka ngbe na me fe ko ni mi human na no ni gba ngbomo trainer.
no bane o test okwe
A check on.
no mini important di no ta no o test mene
Ona we na code few wo mi to na me check no ko na me check in body aka no fi no ye o keke ha mi no.
okay no be ehin wa ga shi na kan kan go neba no nji Morash Kids Foundation alo Morash Fish Kids Empowerment mini ji no yo kemo kiana ken no kni ame to ne mene
Oh, ame bo mo de me ni ke ba ni ma jo ame. Dageje mo fa mo ni yo shikane e ke ba ya hospital ne ya check e weji ame. Wo kenwe na me ke ne ba ni ma jo ame pi da ne ka me fi e ba ha ni me na me nye ame ya hospital e hu ame baba ko ni ame ba check ame na ke ba ko ne na ka shi ne ke asma ila ko ne ni gba na ka nwa tufa ko ha le ba nye ahe. Shikenye ba fie mo ebe wale keke ho chumi shikane ebe shikane ke ba ya hospital keke itachumi keke wana ke shi ejemi wo nyuma ajo nye baba wo ni dane nyuma ha nye wale nye ke fe dane ke ha wo
abene ho mambia ni yo mane mi fe ni eme bako alo amani bekemba alo mini ngawo yo ke mambi ne ene ken ni na fio yi
come again please
mini ngawo mini advice yo ke mambi e mona mbebi mugo fla ke sheku leke afi ne ken bi ne aka machine ifo la ngbele aka aba aka we best can mo yan fa lo no ko ni mini ngawo yo ke hale
okay ma wa me nga ka shi ene free ahebo shika wa me hin aka gbo wo ko mo ho fi ana oyo otumi o fi ana oyo ba nyo ba ibo wa check ibo bono na ka shi ogbo mo tu e ja ke dare ni won ya oba na wole ni gbo na oba na mo ko na ehie o ra na ke gbe shi no amu emi egbo wo wole ni gbo wona shika wo na ne fe sha ke ya hospital da na no oba na no ni gba wo gbo mo tu e na wo ka free ba ahie fu na aba ni aba fe nyaka amaka ta hia shame ba fe bona me ho me no ni gba amebo die na
ni ora don kewo Sunday na jimo mi ho pagashi na test bone no ko gbonyu aka yimi shi mo we ni papa bon ya mi
amen nga jonya
ora don yo Omash TV o ka wajo to ngbe kemi sheda ngbeji kin manowa nkenya ke omoda we se no mi wanyi mene oba otubeku ni wala hu o ye bi no ke gandeba ndeba ni nchombo ne mtu akashi afa nani ashega ni akega feche imba butu ni wo ni kan wo jawo mi kra Omash TV we no life ke anye onye kan ye kwawo kuna fe ni no fiana no wo aba fe bi ene nyehime ana na nya mi shele hu wo che ga ka twi no ni ismakashi ka ababeke bi asanya ho e kan twi no no hani e fanane neba butu beku nga tola ka obutu ake do butu ka be langba ama ka ga shura fe ekumeni ni wo ombi ni wa jomo many pia wo ye ni fe mo na mi ji best pharmacy